Imagine a world where you no longer need long, complicated tutorials to learn new software. That's exactly what Google AI Studio will bring to the table. This groundbreaking platform uses cutting edge AI to make learning faster, easier, and more intuitive than ever before. In this video, I'll show you how this revolutionary technology is completely transforming the way we learn and interact with tools, so much so it might just end the era of traditional tutorials. If you're ready to embrace the future of learning, stick around because you don't want to miss this. First, let's head over to aistudio.google.com and you should be able to see and hear this. So let me just head over and then close this one. So what we will be using is the stream real-time option. Let's choose in here this one. And in here we have the option to talk to Gemini, show Gemini, as well as share your screen. So for this one, let's allow our microphone to be recorded. Let's click onto the start recording option. Then click on this allow while visiting the site. And then let's allow in here the using of this microphone. So you just need to head over and then make sure that the actual microphone connection is clear. So for this one, you can also try to open in here the select video source. So let's open in here the select video source option and let's choose in here the screen option in order to let us share our screen. So I'll head over and then just do that. Let's click onto this screen option right here. And then let me head over and choose in here my screen 2 or this window 2 right here and click onto the share option from there. So as you can see, we have now in here this. So for now, let's head over first to our AI Studio and make sure to actually go over and then talk to them. So you can head over and then talk to them and they can actually hear you from here. So for that one, just head over and enable the desktop audio so you can hear them talking. So while we're doing that, let's head over and then do this as well. Okay, so let's try talking to Google AI. So Google AI, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What would you like to discuss?
So Google AI, can you see in here my screen of Excel?
Yes, I can see your screen of Excel. It looks like you have a table with columns for first name, last name, birthday, and address. Is there anything specific you'd like me to do with the data?
Yes, I want to combine the first name as well as the last name column of my students right here, and I want to do it on column F. So how do I do that?
Okay, you want to combine the first and last names of your students into column F. One way to do that is by using the concatenate function. In cell F2, you would enter the formula equals concatenate A2, B2. This will combine the text in cell A2, a space, and the text in cell B2. Then, you can drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the rows. Does that make sense?
Yes, wait, now can you see me doing it?
Yeah, I see you entering the concatenate function in cell F2. However, it looks like it's showing a hashtag value, error. This usually happens when there's an issue with the formula's inputs. Are you sure that you are using the correct syntax?
Yeah, I just noticed it. I used the colon instead of comma, so I'll just press enter right now. And as you can see, we have now this. However, I do have one concern. I want to have a space between the first name and the last name. How can I do that?
You're right, the names are combined without a space. To add a space, modify the formula to this equals concatenate, A2, B2. The asana adds a space between the values being concatenated. After you press enter, you'll see Emma Johnson with a space. Does that help?
Yeah, that does help. As you can see, we have now in here this quotation, space quotation, and when I enter it, as you can see, we have now in here this particular space of this name. So how can I do it on all of the students' name right here?
Help you with that. To drag the concatenate function from F2 into semestaton until F11, you can click on the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell with the concatenate formula and drag down. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Oh yeah, that do work. I really appreciate that. So I actually want the birthday to have something that is worthy. For example, we have in here Emma, and her birthday is around March 15, 2005. I want it to be around the March, which is actually a word and not a number. So how can I do that?
That's great to hear, and I'm glad that worked. If you want the date to be the month name instead of a number, you can use the txt function. Would you like me to explain how to use this formula?
Sure, I really appreciate that.
Okay, no problem. To use the text function, in cell G2 type equals text C2 M. This will display the month name from cell C2. Then, like before, you can click the green square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag down to apply this to the rest of the cells. You have any questions about this?
Okay, let me try that. So as you can see, we have in here this, and it will give us this tree, but it's actually not a text. It's sort of like a number again of the March. So how can I fix that?
Oh, I apologize for the typo. The correct formula is equals text C2 M. The M should be lowercase. This should give you the month name, not the number. Would you like to try that now?
Okay, got that. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Okay, so right now let's utilize the Google AI Studio right now into another option, which is the editing option, and let's use CapCut for this one. So same things first, just click on the start recording option as well as the select video source option. Let's click on this two right here and let's share our screen of our CapCut. So for example, for this right now, let's choose in here this. So let's talk to them. Oh, can you see my screen right now?
I can see your screen right now. It appears to be a video editing interface, likely CapCut, with a video loaded in the timeline.
Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to guide me to split this media right here and then apply a transition. How can I do that?
Okay, I can guide you on how to split the video and add a transition. First, you need to select the clip in the timeline. Then, move the playhead to the point where you want to split the video, and use the split icon, which is the scissors icon, to cut the clip. After you have split the video, select the transition button, which is the overlapping square icon between two clips. Then choose your desired transition effect. Does this make sense?
Yeah, I see now the add transition option and I can now select a transition that I want. So I'll just choose in here the fold over transition and let me try playing it right now and I'll tell you when I need you again, okay?
I see that you've added a split or second mark of the video, and I also see the add transition menu. You're now going to add a transition and play it back to see how it looks, right?
Yes, thanks. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like right now. I selected it, and now you can see that it looks like that.
Okay, I
So
see you've
thank
added
you.
a transition.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
for
I see the
helping
video
me.
with the added transition.
You can also see in here the chat that you have with this person or with this AI using their intelligence system. So you can also utilize it to actually create presentations on PowerPoint. So for that, let me head over first to PowerPoint and we have now in here this. So right now, let's head over again to our AI Studio and let's clear this slide. So let's disconnect it, click onto these three dots, disconnect, then click onto this clear chat option. And then for this one, let's choose our video source. Let's choose in here our presentation and click on share. And now we can see this. So AI, can you hear me and can you see my screen right now?
Yes, I can hear you and see your screen. It looks like you have a PowerPoint presentation open.
Yes. What I want you to do is I want you to select in here a template that I have in here on my screen and choose which one is the most appropriate for a business presentation.
Okay, I understand. I'll select a template from the options on the right side of your screen that is appropriate for a business presentation. Let me take a look. I think the second template, the one with the purple and gray background, would be the most appropriate. Would you like me to choose that one?
Yeah, I think it looks good. Now, I want to do next is I want to add in here a particular thing and I want to add in here a picture. How can I do that?
You want to add a picture to the slide. To do
Yes.
this, you can click on the Insert. Okay, to insert a picture, you can go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and then select Pictures. From there, you can choose a picture from your computer. Is there anything else you'd like me to help you with?
Oh yeah, I really thank you for that. I will now select in here a picture from my computer and as you can see I will insert it right here. But how can I resize it?
Okay, I see that you have inserted a picture of a neon balloon dog and are now resizing it. Is there anything else I can help you with?
How can I resize it?
You can resize the picture by clicking and dragging the small circles at the corners and sides of the image. Alternatively, you can use the size options in the Picture Format tab. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Oh yeah, I really appreciate your help. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
None whatsoever. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Feel free to ask if you need any further assistance. Have a good day.
So as you can see, the Google AI Studio helped us with a lot of things today. So it helped us with our Excel, with editing, as well as creating a presentation. So tool is actually really helpful and it will actually change the market because of how easy and how good it is to have someone one-on-one teaching you. So thank you for tuning in. Google AI Studio is truly changing the game. And I've created a free resource to help you get started with this incredible tool. You can find it on the description below. Just click on it and then download the link. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights on AI, marketing, and productivity. And be sure to check out my other videos to stay ahead of the curve. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.